Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Hyperparameter tuning is an essential step in optimizing machine learning models. In this tutorial, we'll explore two popular methods for hyperparameter tuning, GridSearchCV and RandomizedSearchCV from the scikit-learn library. What are hyperparameters? Hyperparameters are configurations that are external to the model and cannot be learned from the training data. They are set before the training process begins and can significantly affect the performance of the model. Examples include learning rate, number of trees in a random forest, and the maximum depth of a decision tree. GridSearchCV. GridSearchCV exhaustively searches through a specified subset of hyperparameters for a given model. It evaluates all combinations of hyperparameters and selects the best one based on cross-validated performance. Pros and cons of GridSearchCV. Pros. Simple to understand and implement. Guarantees finding the best combination of hyperparameters within the specified grid. Cons. Computationally expensive, especially with a large number of hyperparameters and values. Time-consuming as it evaluates every combination. RandomizedSearchCV. RandomizedSearchCV samples a specified number of hyperparameter combinations from a provided grid. It evaluates a random selection of hyperparameters rather than all possible combinations. Pros and cons of RandomizedSearchCV. Pros. More efficient than GridSearchCV when dealing with a large hyperparameter space. Can find a good combination quicker than exhaustively evaluating all possibilities. Cons. There's no guarantee that the best combination will be found, as it only samples a subset of the space. Code example. In this example, we'll use the random forest classifier from scikit-learn to demonstrate both GridSearchCV and RandomizedSearchCV. Step 1, import libraries. Step 2, load data. Let's use the iris dataset as an example. Step 3, define hyperparameter grid. We'll define a set of hyperparameters to tune. Step 4, GridSearchCV. Step 5, RandomizedSearchCV. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of hyperparameter tuning using GridSearchCV and RandomizedSearchCV. Both methods have their pros and cons, and the choice between them often depends on the specific problem and the computational resources available. Using these techniques can significantly enhance the performance of your machine learning models. Additional tips. Always scale your features if you are using algorithms that are sensitive to the scale of the data. Consider using cross-validation to get a better estimate of your model's performance. Use n_jobs =1 to leverage all processors available for faster computation.